Hey guys, ever sent money with Revolut and wondered how long it takes to arrive? Today, I'll show you exactly what to expect from instant transfers to those that take a bit longer. If you're sending money to another Revolut user, it's instant. You hit send and they see it right away. Perfect for splitting a meal or paying a friend or sending pocket money. Sending to a regular bank account in the same currency like GBP to a UK bank or Euro to an EU account, these usually take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the recipient bank and cutoff times. If you're sending abroad in a different currency, it can take up to 2 business days. Revolut exchanges instantly and sends the payment at the next available banking session. Bank holidays and weekends can add a bit more time, so always check the app for accurate ETA. You can speed things up using faster payments for GBP, which takes minutes. Swift option for global transfers expect 1 to 2 business days, sometimes up to 3 business days depending on destination. If you want to see where your money is, start the transaction and view the status updates in app. Revolut also sends notifications when it's sent and receives. You're always in the loop. Track every step right there in the app.